Hey, welcome back. We're going to go drive 2.5 hours and hike. Let's go. Well, we finally made it to EC Manning. We're going to the Strike Lake campground just for a day trip following the Lightning Lake chain. And it is beautiful out here. So, let's go. It's a bit chilly out here, but I think we're going to warm up. What a pretty lake. Lots of people kayaking and in the canoes, having fun in the water. Hey Meredith.
What?
There's two fish in the tank. One looks at the other and says,
"No.
You man the guns, I'll drive." I'll drive.
Stop.
It's a nice bridge here. The water is crystal clear.
Hi guys.
Hey. But what's incredible is this view. Look at that. Ugh. I mean, I do love this though. Whenever the sun comes out, the lake's just green. It's great. Benutzen means using. Yeah. This thing looks up to code.
Huh?
This thing looks up to code.
Oh, totally.
Okay, we gotta get past this area. It's a bit flooded. Straight ahead. Woo! I'll get you. Booter.
Huh?
You got a booter.
Yeah. Oh well.
That crossing, I was fine because I always am. She got her foot in the water. Happens. Oh, there's fish in the water. Oh, wow. Don't even know if the camera can pick up on them, yeah. Oh, wow, okay. That's cool. Man, there's so many fish here and so many rainbow trout. Should have brought the rod, tried to catch them. It would have been sweet. But we're gonna go over this bridge again and go back on the main trail. This is more of a bushwhacking trail. We just want to go on the bridge. and look at what's in the water. Lots in the water. 3 kilometers, let's go! This hike is about 6.7 kilometers each way, so that equals 6, 6, 12, 13 point something. Not caring to do the math right now. So it's gonna be a good time. And when we get there, you can go a bit further and there's another lake, which is Strike Lake. So like the campground is first, but the campground here isn't actually all that neat. So we're gonna go past the campground, go to the lake, hang out there, have some root beers and chill. We have entered gnome territory. It's dark and gloomy here.
Oh boy.
Millions wear the hat. It's super cool though, looking up how
Yeah, it's beautiful. Very neat.
almost trip while looking up instead of on a trail.
Same. There's a kilometer, or is it 1,000?
1,000 meters. Like there's still snow on top of some mountains. Let's get past this. Woo! I just can't get over though how clear that water is. Oh, I see fish again. Over there.
Oh yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah.
Nice. Cool.
Yeah. Well, we found something pretty cool. Look at this. Spine of sorts. Super neat.
Is it like the tailbone or something?
Or tailbone, yeah, I have no idea. It's awesome.
That's super cool.
Well, we made it to Strike Lake Camp. Didn't take all that long, I'd say. It was nice. It was pretty warm. The beginning was chilly though, but it was great. So yeah, we're at the campgrounds. There's like one over there. Over here there's one. They're nice too because like look, you got a bench, seat, a table, and, you know, you got the fire pit, another pit there, and you can set up a tent right there. It's perfect. We're not doing that though because we just did a day trip today. But what makes this nice is, you know, the hike itself is super easy. It's just flat. And then you also got access to fresh water. And is this water nice or what? So all in all, it's a solid hike. It's a good time. Oh yeah. Well, now it's time for lunch because we're starving. Yeah. Whoa. Cheers.
Cheers.
Definitely root beer at the end of this.
Oh yeah, good root beer.
So we're just having lunch here and a young buck showed up. Like the little horns are coming out already. Let's see if I can go a bit closer. Oh, he's looking at me. Hey buddy. Not even scared. That's awesome. Wow. Super cool. Okay, that's all done with Strike Lake Camp. It was really fun. Now I just gotta get back to the car, which is gonna be another 2 hours or so that direction back. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the really scenic routes of this hike. Like I said, the campsites, it's cool, but it's the hike itself. Like, it's so scenic, it's wonderful actually, and the water is so clear, and when the sun hits, awesome. So Strike Lake campsite, it's okay. Hike, scenic, go for it, do it. You won't regret it, and it's great for beginners. Take someone here, it's awesome. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Till next time.